Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. So step 1, go to ubereats.com and scroll a little bit until you see Deliver with Uber Eats. Click it, and step 2, sign up with your name, email and phone number. And step 3, you will choose your city and preferred delivery method such as bike, car, or scooter. Step 4. Upload your required documents, license, insurance, and proof of right to work in the UK. Step 5. Submit a background check and wait for Uber approval. Once approved, download the Uber driver app and log in. So that's how to get started as an Uber Eats courier in the UK. Thanks for watching.